Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy JoJo Fries, and we're here on this cold, snowy January day.
Christmas came late. It's a white Christmas finally.
Yeah, it's about 20 inches of snow.
Bigger
It's
than
cold.
my dick.
And waiting for Meatball to come out. You know, he's taking forever as usual.
Cat being lazy as fuck.
Yeah.
Pissing us off.
Trying to rub one off to get extra body warmth before he comes out and joins us.
Yeah, he got 2 minutes on, then we're about to hit the road and try and get some extra cash. See y'all along the way.
I hate the snow. I hate the snow. I hate the rain and I hate the sleet. Man, I sure do hate the snow. Feet are froze and my toes are too. I hate. Whoa!
Dang, you ready? I don't get how it takes someone this long to get ready to shovel snow.
Maybe I have to find the shit that I'm wearing.
Does it really matter? It took me 2 minutes to put my shit together.
I'm not gonna be fucking prepared.
Prepared, we already shoveled our whole fucking driveway. You're definitely doing the rest of it.
I'm talking about being cold.
Once you start shoveling, you warm up. Alright, everyone. We got our first house. 50 bucks.
For real? Just now.
See y'all when we're done with this shit. It's deep. Look, Meatball's still multitasking. This is who we're working with.
Does he think that's helping?
Yeah, the snow's still in the driveway.
You ought to get $5 for it.
Look at him now. Alright, everyone. Got a lot done. Still a lot more left to do.
Crucial.
See, no one's working, but we're gonna get it done.
You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, I'm tired.
With broken hands and withered souls, emancipated from all you know. You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, you slow, bro.
D10. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're singing. Y'all know nothing about that. Watch me. Watch me. Come on, X. Come on, X. Prove yourself.
Dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out,
Two suits, two tokens in hand. I got no respect cause I'm the new man. Got my shovel, shoes full of sand. Check out the tag, the name's Caveman.
dig it out, dig it. Dig it out,
Like that's it. That's right.
dig it out, dig it. Dig it out,
Take a bad boy, make him dig 5 feet. The dirt in these shovels will give us a beat. Okay, you gotta find something never found before. If not, we'll just have to dig some more. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out.
Your hands may blister, your muscles stay sore. You wanna break, knock on the warden's door.
Dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out,
A-R-M-P, I to the T. What is that? You smelling dog? That's me. I don't take showers and I don't brush my teeth. That's all I do is dig holes, eat, and sleep.
There is no lake, there is no shade, there is no place to hide. So just sit and wait to fry.
you got to go and dig those holes. Dig it out, dig it. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it. Dig it out,
Take a bad boy, make him dig 5 feet.
Got my shovel, shoes full of sand.
The
Alright, everyone just got done with the first house. As you can see, all shoveled up. And took us about an hour to get that shit done. Hopefully we get a couple more. Keep on rolling. Keep on making that dough, baby. Alright, how you feeling after the first house, Nate?
Oh, I feel good, man. I'm ready to get some more money.
What about you?
First house was so chill, man. So chill.
And we both still straggling. Alright, man, it's starting to get real cold out. I can't feel my feet. Just did the math. We all made $18 a piece. Whoop-de-doo, man. But you know, we're gonna keep on fucking going. I can't feel my feet.
Look at this as exercise.
Oh, fuck. It's getting bad out here. It's like a fucking tundra. It's cold as shit. Oh, I can't feel my feet. Boy had to leave the guys behind, man. They back there shoveling this driveway. I can't feel my feet at all. We doing this shit for chump change, man. It ain't worth the time or the effort to make this little bit of money for all this fucking work. How cold it is. So I'll tune in back with y'all when the boys get back. It was good to be back home. Nice and toasty, watching some wrestling. It's way too cold outside.